So I have a brand new dual lens webcam from EMEET. Perfect for streaming, content creation, and better video calls. This is the EMEET Piko Series, AI-powered 4K webcam with a lot of great features, and EMEET did send this to me and they're sponsoring this video so I can play around with it and test out the features and then make this video to show you what it can do. So let's have a look at the video quality and listen to the audio quality and see what this thing can do.
Mr. Black.
And here it is. These are the mini, mighty, lovely AI-powered 4K webcams that aim to provide top-of-the-class video and audio experiences. Just look at how tiny this thing is. It's very sleek. There's a quarter thread at the bottom for mounting. It also has a USB-C port on the back to connect to your computer. It comes with this little panda head that magnetically covers the camera for privacy when you're not using it, which is actually pretty cool. It also comes with a long USB-C cable to USB-C and a USB-A adapter to connect it to your computer. Plus it comes with this little tripod and ball head that will sit up just the right height next to your laptop. This comes in white and black and some sort of teal color, but they look fantastic, and this has to be the smallest 4K webcam that I've ever seen. So plugging this thing into the computer, it is all plug and play. You plug it in and it shows up as a source for video and for audio. And using it as a source and recording with it, this is the video quality right here. It's 4K UHD resolution. It also has AI facial and autofocus. So check out this focus if I wanted to show you this little panda. Look at that. It focuses so clearly on it right there in front of it. Same with the box. I hold this thing out, it focuses on it super fast. It's able to detect heads and shoulders to locate the face with the other lens, which uses deep learning algorithms, giving it a more natural facial exposure, but more impressively, it looks balanced with a bright backlight. Audio-wise, it has 3 noise-canceling microphones. This is what it sounds like too with the noise canceling on. I have an air conditioning unit right there, so it's making some noise and it's gonna filter that out. It's gonna sound a little bit more tinny, but that is the price you pay for having that noise eliminated, which is really annoying. But this is it. This is the EMEET Piko, and I wanted to share this with you because it just came out. So do check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price. It's really cool, really small. I could see a lot of creators loving this thing because it is, I mean, you're looking at it right now. It's really good picture quality and it's so tiny. And also if you want to see some other EMEET videos that I've done, because I have some other cool webcams, some conference cameras, I'll put them up on the screen. This one I think is like a streaming camera. It's like completely wireless. It's pretty cool. So check out one of these on there, click it, and I'll see you there.